In this video, I am going to review the 6 months performance of Bevine F7 GB2 drone camera. For the sake of this review video, I captured and tested different movements during the previous 6 months. Moreover, after watching this video, you can check its price by visiting link in the description below. This video includes its unboxing, flight performance, footage review, camera resolution, cinematic view. So for each of these features, you have to watch till the end. Let's unbox it. The Bevine F7 GB2 is a budget-friendly drone with a 4K camera. It features a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage, GPS positioning and various flight modes like follow me and waypoint planning. Guys, look at its flight test performance. According to me, the Bevine F7 GB2 is an impressive drone particularly known for its solid flight performance. It features robust GPS capabilities, ensuring steady and reliable flight, even in windy conditions. The drone's battery life is substantial, offering around 25 minutes of flight time per charge, which is great for extended aerial exploration. Equipped with a powerful motor, the F7 GB2 can reach impressive speeds, making it agile and responsive in the air. The controls are intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced ones. Additionally, its advanced stabilization technology provides smooth, clear footage, enhancing its appeal for photography and videography enthusiasts. Overall, the Bevine F7 GB2 is a well-rounded drone that delivers a dependable and enjoyable flying experience. I also have it with me in red color. Low-level flight with the Bevine F7 GB2 is remarkably smooth and stable thanks to its precise altitude control and obstacle detection sensors. This makes it ideal for capturing detailed ground shots. Now I will show you different cinematic shots and footages captured by Bevine F7 GB2 time to time. One of the standout features of the Bevine F7 GB2 is its sophisticated gimbal stabilization system. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, this drone ensures that your footage remains smooth and free from the jitters that can plague aerial shots. This stabilization is particularly beneficial for creating cinematic views, as it allows for fluid motion and steady frames, even in windy conditions. The gimbal's ability to compensate for any slight movements of the drone translates into professional grade video that looks like it was shot with high-end equipment. This makes the Bevine F7 GB2 an excellent choice for filmmakers, content creators, and anyone who values the quality of their visual production. In terms of camera resolution, the Bevine F7 GB2 does not disappoint. The 4K resolution is a significant upgrade from standard HD, offering 4 times the detail and clarity. This high resolution is evident in the crispness of the footage, where even the smallest elements in the scene are rendered with precision. Whether you are capturing close-up details or wide-angle vistas, the camera's resolution ensures that every frame is packed with detail. This level of clarity is especially beneficial for projects that require high-quality visuals such as commercial videos, documentaries, and social media content where image quality can make a substantial difference in audience engagement. The Bevine F7 GB2's ability to capture cinematic views is further enhanced by its intelligent flight features. With capabilities such as GPS tracking, follow me mode, and waypoint navigation, the drone can execute complex flight patterns that are ideal for creating dynamic and engaging videos. The follow me mode is particularly useful for tracking subjects in motion, such as athletes or vehicles, allowing the drone to maintain a consistent focus and framing while the subject moves. Waypoint navigation, on the other hand, lets users pre-plan a flight path, enabling the drone to follow a set route and capture footage from predetermined angles and locations. These intelligent features simplify the process of obtaining professional grade shots, making it easier to produce polished and cinematic content. Considering all these features like 4K video, 3 axis gimbal, you can consider this Bvine F7 GB2 in this price range.